All right. 1 second. Okay, so today I have an NUZE as my leading gapper here. I'm also watching DRMA, PIRS, BBLG, and welcome to Advantage Day Trading. My name is Josh. It's July 24th on a Wednesday. So every morning I look at the gap scan and pull the leading gappers off of the gap scan. I look for news, volume, and a low float. So we have low floats. We don't have a lot of news. So NUZE, I don't really see any news on it, but it made a pretty incredible move. Let's take a look at the daily time frame here. And I'll mark out on the hourly, I'll mark the high of 490. That's where we hit. And so that's right up there at that daily resistance. There's a big gap fill that happened pre-market here. So this one, a lot of good price action on it, but this could be on the backside of the move for now. You can see 15-minute consolidation underway. So on this pullback, I'm expecting a higher low. It's just where are we going to find support? Where will we bounce from? So the smaller time frame, 5-minute uptrend, and this is the last higher low on that 5-minute time frame. So 360 is support. We want to hold that. If we lose that, we lose our 5-minute uptrend. That was definitely a level that came into play. How many lines do I want on my chart? I don't want a lot of lines on my chart. I'll keep them there for now. It's not typically the kind of ascending line I would draw, but it's pretty obvious. So if it's obvious, I'd say go with it. Chances are other people are watching that too. DRMA. One more thing about NUZE, the fact that we came up to that daily resistance and the amount of move up, I would almost imagine that, you know, I don't know if we're going to see like a gap and go like we did yesterday on whatever stock it was that we were trading. But if it consolidates into the open, I like that. As long as it looks like healthy consolidation. So I'll keep an eye on that. Maybe there will be a trade there first thing. DRMA daily time frame. So this one's our second leading gapper. It's up 133%. NUZE, by the way, is up 300%. A pretty awesome move. But DRMA, couldn't find really any good news on that either. So I'll mark out the high of pre-market, and just like on NUZE, this one came up to a daily resistance here and then sold off. And this one's been consolidating for quite a bit longer. The hourly consolidation here, support is down at 232. Got a high of the move on the 15-minute there of 411. Looking for a 15-minute higher low at equilibrium. Bulls made an attempt here. You can see they failed. So we really need to get back over 356 for the 5-minute time frame. Trading below VWAP. Got a double bottom essentially down here at 280. So yeah, we really need to hold 280. If we lose 280, then it's a bear break on this hourly inside bar pattern. And the next support is 232. So it's a tightening range. PIRS is the third. It's now the fourth leading gapper. I'd say it's my least favorite just because right now it's really light on volume. It's a little higher priced. You can see a lot of these candles here, they're just dots. So not real good volume on that yet. Let's look at the daily time frame. Up here, I'll go ahead and mark out. So we hit 1520, broke through it, but did not hold up. So that's this level up here. Now, if we can get back over that, 1760, 1845, and 2232 are the resistances. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that daily line since it was already tested. The 15-minute time frame on this looks like a bull flag or a bull pennant. So it's a consolidation tightening range. Again, on this one, you know, you really want to hold 1311. It would be okay to break it a little bit. And the bulls by the dip, that's perfectly healthy consolidation. So I'll be looking for something like that 5-minute time frame. And if we did break it a little bit, there is a support down here at 1206. However, that's too much of a break. I wouldn't like to see that. Okay. Yeah, so just tightening up. We'll keep an eye on her. See what we get. And then there's BBLG. That's now the third leading gapper. It's up 74%. One of these had NUZE. I don't remember which one it was. I guess it was PIRS. Pharmaceuticals. I think it's a merger. Yeah, it's a merger. So PIRS is the only one up here that does actually have NUZE, and it's my least favorite as far as the chart goes. But BBLG, larger time frame, another tightening range here, hourly inside bars. And volatility is coming as we look to break the consolidation in the tightening range here. Just a matter of which way is it going to go. High of pre-market is 288. We've also got this other resistance here at 270, and we got a daily level right there at 315. So we're pretty close to that. And get above that, there's a pretty good pocket up to 449. 5-minute time frame. I've got this ascending line here. Seem to be playing off of that. Okay, 5 minutes to go. Go ahead and do that. Okay. So on this one, the resistance up at 244. Put a little one up there. Support down at 195. And down in this, we got a nice little zone down here that it hit and played off of. So it looks like PIRS starting to hit that support. NUZE bulls tried to break out here, couldn't do it. So yeah, that's a clear resistance right there. Rejection off of 445. Definitely a level to watch. All right, BBLG did bounce off that line again. So that's been a major support level. Look how many times it's touched this line on the way up. One and a half minutes to go as NUZE trying to get above 445. And 1 minute left. Well, she's trying to go right away here. Coming up to $5. Breaking through 5. Big range on that candle. 10 seconds to go. Yeah, PIRS has a really wide spread, so I'd be careful on that one. Don't want to get caught in a halt going down on NUZE, the way it's pulling back here. I'm in too many trades at once. I can't seem to pay attention here what I'm doing. Take a look over here at BBLG. I think BBLG is halted. So this one I tried to buy it off 445 and it failed, and then I bought it here recently off of this level. Looks like maybe it might fail that too. And halted on PIRS. I was in it down here. I didn't like the spread on it, so I decided not to trade it. That's a nice halt. We got 3 stocks here halted. DRMA, I got out of it before it halted. I am in BBLG. That's going to resume at 6:37:24. So I got a couple of minutes left on that. I keep trying here on NUZE. But I wonder if it's going to come down and hit the volume weighted average price. playing against the trend. Okay, I got to get ready for the halt resumption over here on BBLG. It halted below resistance, so it may not resume higher. Sometimes these don't. Should have resumed by now. Okay, so what else do we have? This one, BBLG, I guess it's a 10-minute halt. So 6:42:24 should be resumption. And I'm gonna get, let me see here. Trying to put in limit orders on this one to see if I can catch a move on it. And it's halted again. I don't know, it's just, it's one of those, it's kind of hard to trade. Got to be careful over here on NUZE. I'm playing against the trend. I keep trying to catch a bounce, and oftentimes I can get into trouble on that. Thought PIRS got halted there, but apparently not. Oh. Uh-oh. I think I might hit my max loss here if I'm not careful. Flatten that. That was close. Share size was way too big. Let me see. 40. 42. I got a couple of minutes till halt resumption over there. Give her one more shot as we break that support. And I'm going to put my absolute stops at the low. So DRMA should resume at 6:30. Well, it should have resumed already. All right, so yeah. And NUZE, man, I just really messed that up, didn't I? Okay. I'm looking for resumption on BBLG. I went ahead and just sold it right away. And it halted again. Oh my God, that's crazy. I kind of wish I hadn't sold it now. That's a massive halt. The excuse me, DRMA halted at 6:34. It looks like resumption should be at 6:44. Big move there. The low of that candle is right around 363. That's where I'll put my stop loss on this and just see if it wants to go back up. This is that halt level. I'll use that as support as well as the volume weighted average price. I'm watching this one over here too. Looking for a reversal on it. Being cautious, this could be a bear flag. Well, I don't know. You know, I'm at my daily goal. I think I might want to stop. I've been, I traded this one all the way down. And I thought it might bounce, you know, break this support and then bounce. And that's why I got in down here. But I was already down so far on the stock that I didn't hold that position. And then it started to go. So then I tried to get in it again. Didn't do so well. But we had this little, I used to call these whoop-de-whoops because it's like it comes down and it goes a whoop-de-whoop. And that's so stupid. Anyways, I'm wondering if this is like a reversal starting to happen here. Like I don't want to miss that next move up, but at the same time, I'm at my max loss. BBLG got halted at 642. So it's another 10-minute halt. I'll try this one here just real quick, see what we get. Just a quick profit. It's I don't really like this big Doge candle on the 5-minute here. This one, you know, I'm just not sure on that. But earlier when I jumped into this, I started to trade it on this pullback here. And I was in and out, trying to figure out where it was going to bounce from. But I had this level here in my mind. This was a halt level. You also had the volume weighted average price there. So that's where it ultimately started bouncing from. And why I felt comfortable kind of holding it a little bit. So we had a rejection off $4 here on this one. High of day is up at 527. There's another one of those whoop-de-woo looks. My little fancy terminology. PIRS almost got into big trouble on that one. Came pretty close to hitting my max loss with it's got such a wide spread and my share size was way too big. The BBLG resuming flat, being cautious of a halt going down on it. Oops, I was a little late. I tried to punch the order there, came up to $4. Just because I got in so late, I'm going to jump back out of it. Tried to punch it as it was down here, and it was just too late. I'll buy the little pullback there at 4. I just don't know. Too late on that one too, gosh. Just like a second too late. Now, you know, I said it before, I'm at my daily goal. I really think I should probably stop. This one looks like it's reversing. You know, yesterday when I said I should stop, I should have stopped. A lot of times when I say I should stop and then I don't, I end up finding out I should have stopped. You know. Let's give it a go here. Let's see if she wants to go. Feels like it could. Meeting some resistance. Is it gonna go? Got another halt somewhere. I just heard it. Oh, BBLG halted going down. That's what I was scared of over there. Playing around with fire here on NUZE. Nice. Trying to buy the pullbacks, the dips. You know what? That's it. I'm done. I'm going to stop my trading now. I just feel like, you know, I've hit 100. I can't seem to get past, you know, so it's time to call it and look at it dropping here now. So that's going to be it for me. It's been a rough day. I got to be honest. The price action's been kind of crazy. Nice to see these halts, but it hasn't been easy with PIRS and the wide spreads, BBLG and the 10-minute halts. So not a lot of price action there. DRMA, you know, made a little bit on that. And NUZE, trying to catch this bounce, and I just didn't trade it right now. Here it comes down. It's probably halted right now. So anybody who had their stops down in these areas. Well, no, not quite halted. I thought it was. So I'm going to go full screen. Take a look at this. 106 is my point value on the day. 0 is my low. 122 is my high. And I'm sitting up 800 points. I got 200 points to go till I finish level 1. And then I can move on to level 2, where the points double, the money doubles, all of that good stuff. All right, well, day 3 is in the books. Let's go take one more look at the charts. And there you have it. Halt going down. Very spready. This one here looking like it's finding support, but I don't trust it completely. Although there is a nice area right in here, consolidation, that we're coming down into that zone. So it's a possible buy zone here. And this one, well, where is the support on this one? Remember that line? This line that I drew here, that could come into play. All right, that's it for me. I'm gonna get out. See y'all. Take care. See you next time. Bye.